A significant development just unfolded in the Saudi Arabian MedTech landscape. US-based Co-Diagnostics, through its joint venture Co-Mira, has received approval to establish a manufacturing facility in Sudair Industrial City. This is not just another product approval. It signals a pivotal shift in the region's market dynamics. The facility will produce molecular diagnostic tests locally, making Co-Mira one of the first domestic manufacturers of these advanced solutions in the kingdom. This move is a direct reflection of Saudi Arabia's Vision 2030, a strategic initiative aimed at diversifying the economy and localizing critical industries. For years, the MENA region has been primarily an import market for advanced medical devices. This approval shows the kingdom is aggressively changing that model, creating a self-sufficient and robust healthcare ecosystem. The government is actively encouraging foreign medtech companies to establish a physical presence, not just a distribution channel. The implications for the global medtech industry are profound. Companies that adapt to this localization strategy will gain a significant competitive advantage. Manufacturing in-country can lead to preferential treatment in government tenders, faster regulatory pathways, and a more resilient supply chain, insulating companies from global shipping disruptions. However, this opportunity comes with unique challenges. Setting up a manufacturing plant in Saudi Arabia requires a deep understanding of the Saudi Food and Drug Authority, or SFDA's, complex regulatory framework. It involves navigating requirements for quality management systems, facility certifications, and local labor laws, which are fundamentally different from simply registering an imported product. For example, the technical dossier required for a local manufacturing license involves detailed validation of production processes on site, something an importer would never handle. This strategic shift from importation to local production is the new frontier for market access in the Middle East. As Saudi Arabia paves the way, we can expect other GCC nations to follow with similar localization incentives. Success in this evolving market will require more than just a great product. It will demand a sophisticated on-the-ground strategy. For expert guidance on navigating the SFDA and establishing your footprint in the MENA region, you can email or visit Pure Global.